My name is Jamie. About 3 years ago, I had a right total knee replacement.
I had a total right hip replacement done back on January 31st.
I had a left total knee replacement.
The surgery that I had was replacement of both of my knees, otherwise known as bilateral total knee replacement surgery.
I had 2 total knee replacement surgeries.
My onset was very, very sudden. For years, I'd been troubled with minor aches and pains that came and went, both hips, sometimes my legs, and I just chalked them off to old age.
I was having to take painkillers at least once a day to get by. Towards the end, it was much more often.
Before I had my surgeries, I was in a lot of pain, and I was unable to walk or stand for long periods of time. It was painful to do any kind of exercise, so I put on a lot of weight, which only made matters worse.
I was losing function and the ability to do things that I loved to do over a number of years. I had given up skiing in snow, I had given up hiking in the mountains. I was having great difficulty during the vacations that we planned, eventually so much so that we just stopped planning good vacations.
Stood up at work and my left knee, I had such a sharp, horrifying jolt of pain. I cried at work, I sobbed, it was embarrassing.
My hip became one of the most excruciating parts of my body. In fact, it demoralized me to the point that I could get into the automobile, but it would take me 10 to 15 minutes to get out of my automobile.
So when I was first diagnosed, I hit the internet, as one does, and started searching. Almost the first place I came upon was BoneSmart.
I was able to link to important educational pieces about the pre-op preparation, the types of important exercises to do.
The people on the forum supported me, cheered me, and gave me endless advice and information, and they've become lifelong friends.
I had really good friends on the forum, and it made such a difference to have them all cheering me on and offering support and encouragement during my recovery.
It's just a really great community of good folks who were there to keep you positive and keep you focused on a good recovery. Surgery has completely changed my life. I'm able to behave normally and do normal activities that I thought were lost.
I'm walking and doing things and going to the grocery store and enjoying life again.
My biggest joy is being able to get on the floor again and play with my grandchildren.
My surgery changed my life in every way imaginable. I can now sleep, walk, do housework, shop till I drop, crouch down and get up again without pulling on anything, and dig in my garden all day. But my principal joy is that I can once again worship with flags, which I have done for years.
I'm now sitting in front of you and sharing the fact that I now have 2 implanted ceramic hips.
I'm a BoneSmartie, and I got my life back.
I'm a BoneSmartie and I'm enjoying life again.
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 I'm a BoneSmartie and I'm enjoying life again. Yay!
If you're sitting on the sidelines in fear, I just will support you in going to www.bonesmart.org and taking a look at all the new technologies and all the new surgical procedures that exist. And what I wish for you is what has come true for myself, and that is a life that is full of joy, happiness, and physicality to absolutely no limits.